Hello everyone. In the previous classes, we have learned about specific characteristics of blockchain, how these features are helpful, and also why this was necessitated, and many features which make it unique mechanism and a unique ledger. In this particular lecture, we would like to highlight on how the supply chain management systems are working and useful in blockchain. In particular, blockchain in agriculture and seed supply chain management. It ensures enhanced transparency, traceability, and efficiency. So, with this background, let us look into how specifically the blockchain technology is helpful. Blockchain in supply chain management is important because of the unique features of blockchain, like decentralized, immutable, transparent. The key features of security, trust, and automation, they are important in any of the industrial applications in general and particularly in agriculture, so that the many advantages can be addressed and the current system's loopholes can be improved. Now let us look into importance of blockchain in agriculture. Agriculture supplies food and also food safety. Broad concerns are many felt in many ways. So there are many components and key players. So trust building is very important. Ensuring transparency in seed quality and origin is the main foundation. If set right, it will solve many of the problems. Also, fair pricing, improving logistics, and benefit to farmers and producers, which will who will get their value for hard work and also with advantages. There are many challenges in agriculture supply chains in the current system. So, what are these? They are counterfeit seeds, fraudulent supplies. For immediate gain, many times farmers are cheated. So, lack of viability and trust building among stakeholders lead to these many problems. Also, inefficiency in logistics, payments systems ensures high cost of the produce, and it will be disadvantage to many of the players in the system. Blockchain solves these challenges in different ways. Yes, we know that the characteristic features of blockchain are called upon. For example, immutable records for seed governance certification, which will ensure genuinity and authenticity. Smart contracts for automated agreements. There will not be any room for ambiguity. Also, enhanced traceability from farm to produce is important so that the all key steps involved are traceable and also complied with. Now let us move into seed authentication. Ensuring genetic integrity of seeds, that is, purity and compliance with set standards are important. Farmers verifying seed sources before purchase. It will ensure that the problems which may come at later stage can be avoided. Also, protection against counterfeit and substandard seeds ensures better compliance and also measures which can be taken at later stage. See, let us now look into smart contracts in agriculture. Smart contracts ensures automatic transactions by agreeing on certain terms and conditions. This, this will be ensuring fair practices and peace of mind to the farmers. Also, ensuring compliance in contracts with suppliers and buyers enhances reliability. Also, eliminating intermediaries is one of the important steps because fair price to the producers will be there and also high efficiency in the food system will be there so that The producer who really produces will be getting main benefit of their uh, goods and prices, value for the goods. Let us look into decentralized traceability. Seed from production to final harvest can be traced easily, and it will ensure appropriate compilations as well as complying to standards. Ensuring ethical sourcing and sustainability is important. Also, reducing food fraud and contamination risks are ensured by this system so that health it is important for health of the human beings or consumers and also ensuring genuinity. Now, among one of the component is supply chain financing. Once we know that supply chain management in agriculture can be traced with specific advantages, once this can also be used for accessing loans, fair trade pricing, and benefiting many needy producers. For example, farmers receiving payments based on verified transactions, satisfying and fulfilling requirements of the system. This will ensure that the needy farmers are do not have to go to different money lenders, but they can depend on the authentic sources for finances. And this will have many ramifications because once farmers have adequate financial system, financial resources, they can contribute to many activities as well as societal development. Now let us look into cold chain monitoring. As we know, agriculture produces are perishable. Similarly, in agri-RT system supply chains, the conditions become important of storage, especially in cold storage. IoT integration, that is Internet of Things integration in real time, helps us in tracking temperature and humidity, that is micro conditions, which are important in proper storage. Also, it will avoid spoilage and waste in transit if all the requirements of the storage are met. Once we know that IoT is important, it is having application in broader way also. So blockchain and IoT integration, it has it facilitates smart sensor collecting real-time agriculture data. It will be useful in utilizing the current technological developments and also automated logging of farm to market journey, which is important, and also full and detailed movements can be tracked and also recorded. The immutability of trust and reliability of uniqueness of blockchain come into picture here along with the integration of the technique. Having known all these benefits, so let us go into specific cases and applications. For example, IBM Food Trust, which tracks food from farm to table, which ensures authenticity and quality. Also, there is Agri-Ledger, which supports smallholder farmers and confer the benefits in and for the groups so that the benefits are cumulative and also in a cooperative or collaborative manner. For example, blockchain in coffee or cocoa supply chains are apparent, and similarly, many other crops based networks can be following this system for the specific advantages. Now, let us highlight about future trends in blockchain for agriculture. As we know, artificial intelligence is having major impact on many of the activities and also is being used efficiently in many of the industries, workplaces. Similarly, AI and blockchain for predictive supply chain management can be having harnessing both the best of both worlds, that is, ensuring automation and efficiency. Similarly, tokenization of agricultural commodities ensures that the proper monetary value is obtained to the farmers and producers without much difficulty. Also, the government policy initiatives for blockchain are important because since it is relatively new technology, many of the government perceptions and also policy facilitation are important so that the successful application for the blockchain technology in general and supply chain management can be ensured. However, there are also challenges and considerations. Regulatory barriers and compliance issues of government as we delve into the policies and perception of farmers are so important. Cost of implementation for small scale farmers is a challenge, especially this is so in most of the South Asian countries where the land holdings of the farmers are very less. However, mitigation of and adoption of these challenges require willingness and openness to technology and also are dependent on many other factors like education and amenability for changes in such and using such technology. So, in general, summary, we can say that blockchain application and impact on agriculture are huge for the including for the supply chain and seed chain management. Encouraging adoption for a more transparent food system will be important for wider usage, upscaling, and ensuring higher value. So, now with this background, let us learn more, invest, and adopt in blockchain agribusiness for the accruing benefits of the new technology and benefit to all. Thank you for listening. Thank you, one and all.